You should watch the video because we had a couple different alcohols that go in this drink.
They got cleaned up apparently.
And Ian already put them away. And you're going to be super surprised what's in this drink. Yeah. And it's pink.
Take some guesses. Look at the color. Make a game out of it.
Take a gander.
It doesn't matter what he says. And it's pink.
And it's pink.
Welcome to Gone Mad Cocktails. Today we're going to make for you...
Sweaty.
I know. That's what I told you.
Like, what's going on? Shit.
It takes a lot of energy to stand all this weight up.
The Naked in the Desert is the name of this drink.
Naked in the Desert?
Yeah, it's like the Naked and Famous, which has this stuff. But it's different, I think, because it's using Sotol.
We have everything we need? Sotol.
So...
Did we already start?
We are started.
All right, let's start making this then.
See how the little red camera's on there?
Yeah.
The red light?
The light on.
Yeah. So Sotol is like a Mezcal or a tequila, but it's a different variety, so it doesn't really count for either of them. So if you don't have Sotol...
It's kind of like in the middle.
I would probably either use Mezcal, tequila, or put like half and half. So you need, in this case, 3/4 ounce. Do the math. I don't know. 3/4 divided by 2, and you do half tequila, half Mezcal. I don't know. I'm making shit up. So it's going to be 3/4 ounce of 3/4 ounce of Sotol, 3/4 ounce of Aperol, 3/4 ounce of yellow Chartreuse, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. Okay, so I see there's a pattern here. Equal parts of all those things. A Garnish.
We had a smaller bottle that had 3/4 of an ounce in it.
Oh, wait a minute. We do. Oh, no.
We could do that. Has 3/4 ounce. So you can also you're going to garnish it for some reason with Angostura bitters. Angostura bitters is a garnish.
He didn't give it.
I didn't hear you.
It's okay. Nothing. It's all good. Keep going.
I'll hear it when I edit it.
That's for the live stream.
Keep going.
And a grapefruit twist for a garnish. You're going to shake the ingredients together with ice,
6
which we don't do very
often.
often.
You got to garnish with that.
Lowball glass.
Cool, thank you.
Yeah, you just put on the top.
Garnish with onion?
Yeah, you're just going to dash it on top for your aromatic flavor, smell, whatever. 6 drops of bitters.
6 drops.
Yeah. Read ingredient instructions. Garnish with 6 drops of Angostura bitters with a grapefruit twist. We're going to skip out on the grapefruit twist because we don't have grapefruit twists. So.
What am I doing?
What are you doing?
We did a lot of stir drinks tonight.
You know, when everybody starts commenting on videos and they're like, oh, the guy in the middle is always really fucked up. Fucking bullshit. He just fucking stirred a shake drink. So I don't want to fucking hear it in the next one. It's always like, oh my God, look at the guy in the middle. His face is red. He's really drunk. Well, you sit here for fucking 3 hours and drink fucking cocktails.
You're using the F word a lot.
Yeah, but
The guy in the middle is angry.
Yeah.
There's a lot of epic
Oh,
shake it to a low ball with ice. Ingredients.
The guy in the end isn't reading tonight. That's
So this drink was submitted again by John Spice. So John Spice submitted the drinks that all have a lot of alcohol in them, and I picked the others. So it's a tag team effort here.
So you're blaming him, is what you're saying?
I know.
I guess he's not here to defend himself.
I selected the drinks that he submitted, but he submits like 17 a day. Like it's
damn.
I got a lot of submissions from John Spice. I don't know if John Spice works. I think John Spice just
said 6 drops.
makes cocktails. So he got this from.
I like what Aperol does to
this is from.
It's pretty.
This is out of Imbibe magazine from Diego Vallecina from Tulum, Mexico, which we've been there.
It's gotta be legit then.
Yeah, because Tulum is like it's hot there.
Pyramids.
Yeah, there's some pyramids there.
No, that's the one on the ocean.
Yeah, but they're still pyramids. They're just small.
Well, no, but it's not as hot as the Yucatan Peninsula.
True. Yucatan is definitely a little bit warmer. Tulum was our second trip, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's it.
Doesn't seem to like it. That's rough for you to pick.
Well, we've had a lot of Ivor drinks. You'd like to make it famous.
It's not like
It's weird.
Oh, you've had it?
My tips it.
He already drank it. He's just like he keeps it like in storage, like a fucking chipmunk.
Well, there was like a couple drops, so I'd like
What's
to.
happening in your mouth, Dad?
I'm trying to hold on. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to process the drink.
This is fun.
It's like sweet and like bitter and.
You know when you have like the pea shakes? Because you like the pea shakes.
Wait,
Is that when people pee on the floor?
No, it's like when you're just peeing.
Oh, okay.
And all of a sudden you're like, Right?
we gotta analyze this a little deeper.
You never had that?
No, I had that happen.
You know what I'm
and,
saying?
and you grab on tight because you're like, you don't want to spray it all over.
Yeah, you're just like, it's just a little like.
Yeah, unless you're at the restaurant, then you don't
Do you
care.
guys
But,
have
like,
any urologists you see regularly?
You never had that?
it's not part of
anything
your
that comes from
urine.
the bottom.
Yeah, it's
just
coming
like,
from your
you get
body.
like a little like.
Chill.
Yeah, it just happens. It's like when you sneeze right after you bite into a taco.
So you're talking about the pea chills.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, there's a
Okay.
name for it. The pea chills. It's like
Knocked over your grave.
it's like the pea
Don't look at me
chills.
like you've never had it before.
What?
I'm not that old yet.
Can you remind me how this is like the pea chills? Did you get those when you did that? It's not that bitter.
I've had it. I'm good.
I've had it, I'm good.
Oh no, you need to have it again.
He does.
Still drying.
Yeah, he needs to drive home.
I'm not
It's
that
like
I'm
he
not
doesn't
drunk.
like it.
Oh, I know you're not. That's what I'm saying.
fine.
You can have another one.
I don't have a problem with this. It's got like an orange flavor to it for some reason.
Aperol.
So
I'll
what's
buy
this
that.
called again, Derrick?
Oh, it is.
Naked in the desert. It's got sweetness from the chartreuse. There's no sugar in here. Shit. So it's all chartreuse.
It's all chartreuse, like the Aperol.
The Sotol is like a third quarter. Not a lot of lime. How much lime do we get in here? It's not very
Well,
limey.
no, it's all.
Oh, it's all equal parts.
You get the lime.
Yeah, but it balances so well against the chartreuse that I'm not really
I
getting
don't know
sour.
if there's any balance. I mean,
You don't think that's balanced? I am very confused because this seems we've made the naked famous is on recipe.com.
do you like this?
We've made this.
I mean, it's okay. It's probably not something I'd order, but
Really?
it doesn't rate
I don't know. Maybe
Mezcal.
just because I've had a lot of.
Yeah,
But it's not mezcal. It's Sotol.
it kind of is.
Naked. How many drinks could I possibly have on Naked and Famous? Here we go. Search. Naked and Famous. Mezcal, Aperol, Yellow Chartreuse, and grapefruit juice. So the only difference here is we don't have mezcal
I'm using lime
and there's
instead of
lime
grapefruit.
instead of grapefruit. Like
It's kind of sort of mezcal, though.
it
After you take a few drinks, though, it starts to calm down.
I think you
Like the
started
pea
to calm
chills, they
down.
go away.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're
Yeah.
just zenning.
So yeah,
Did she actually clear it?
No.
Because she didn't really like bend
No,
down.
you
no.
can just put like a little guinea pig emoji running across. the
I'm like,
just a little drink.
what do we make?
It's
It's the naked and oh, you already said.
Yeah.
So I don't have a problem with this drink at all. Like I don't find it bad.
Dan has a hard time starting with this one, but
the start is tough.
Is it because of
starting to get
all the
better.
other drinks that we've had?
It could be.
Because we have done nothing but like the soup. It's like, you know what tonight was like? You know when you walk
It's
into,
actually calmed down now.
you know when you walk into Macy's and you get to the perfume section with the old ladies that
Yeah.
the little thing, and you walk through to the other side, and by the time you're done, or Yankee Candle, either take your pick, and you've had so many of those flavors that you're almost
Senses are
desensitized
overloaded.
from the just the sheer amount of it. I feel like this drink isn't that intense, and any other time you had this, I think you would have just been like, oh, this is good.
It's actually like it's growing on me now.
Because it's not that aggressive.
You can really taste the Aperol.
Yeah, but you like Aperol.
I know, I do.
That's why I'm like, this
I
is-
think it's the chartreuse. It's like the chartreuse
the
and the
chartreuse is
lime
pretty
together.
sweet.
Like it was just like
it's like a medicinal sour.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh my
Like-
god, yes.
like it's-
There it is.
It's like that, just that medicinal sour, like weird flow that comes in there. I can totally see that. It's got
Like some of these are hard to describe. Like it's
yeah,
just
it's that backbone is like a medicinal sour
Yeah.
lime, and it's not something we've typically had. Every one of these drinks has been unique in its vibrancy,
yeah.
right? And that one just happens to have like more of that chartreuse flavor. But I also drank like an ounce of chartreuse out of the other bottle I thought we were done with, which we would have been able to use for this drink. Who knew? Only the guy that could have written the recipes.
if only we had that extra.
I know.
3/4.
So we had to open a new bottle. But
It's not bad. I mean, I think if you have the stuff, or like you do a 50-50 split with tequila and mezcal,
yeah, it is harder without.
it's definitely worth a. It's definitely worth a try.
She's definitely slower when she gets all the way down like that. Definitely, yeah. I was excited because it has Sotol, and I was like, "Oh, I got that! I'm making this drink." That was purely the reason.
It was just like right off the bat, though. It was just like woof.
Yeah.
It like tingles your mouth.
It definitely makes your senses tingle.
It does.
It's still tingling actually.
See,
So-
you can't see me.
Subscribe to the show. First off. Secondly, go to ostrace.com, buy my stuff. Click on the sale items. You can get all my bitters on sale this month or until I drop the price, which may be never. I don't know.
They go up. Who knows? This may be the best time to buy.
The other thing is I don't plan on reordering a lot of these things because what I'm trying to do is like reduce inventory because I have all this stuff I can't sell and it just sits there. So my goal is to get rid of the stuff that doesn't sell. All great product. It's just I can't, as an individual sale guy there, I'm not putting it all on Amazon and trying to do that. Like, I do this for fun.
It's not worth keeping.
Yeah. If I was to be able to get on the front page of Google for all these, sure, I'd be fine with it. But I don't, like, if I have to pack 40 orders a day, it would be a bitch. So I'm trying to slim down, and it's your advantage. You get all these cool things for less money than you'll find anywhere else on the internet. That I can guarantee, because nobody would sell them at the prices I have, because they're like prices I get them for. So it's pretty low. So go there, ostrace.com, buy them, get them out of my inventory. Thank you, Chuck Parker, for being a YouTube member. Your credit has already slid up because I'll make sure of that. Down below is the Ostrace Bartender Starter Kit. Pick that up. Sidebar, more videos. Maybe it'll be some of the tiki stuff from last month. I don't know. I'll figure it out when I get there. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.